Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to enable notifications for joined contacts on the Telegram app for PC. If you've noticed that Telegram no longer tells you when one of your friends joins, don't worry. This quick guide will show you exactly how to turn that feature back on with the latest update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. These open the main menu. Go ahead and click on those three lines. Next, find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize everything about how Telegram looks, sounds, and behaves. Inside the Settings window, look for Notifications and Sounds. This section allows you to manage what alerts you receive, from personal messages to group chats and even new contact updates. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Contact Joined Telegram. This setting controls whether Telegram notifies you when someone from your phone or contacts list creates a new account and starts using Telegram. If it's turned off, you won't get any alerts when your friends or family join the app. So, to stay updated, simply enable this option by clicking the toggle switch next to it. When it turns blue, that means the setting is active and you're all set. From now on, whenever a saved contact signs up on Telegram, you'll immediately get a small pop-up notification letting you know they're now on the platform. It's a great way to reconnect and start chatting right away without missing anyone who's just joined. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for joined contacts on Telegram for PC. It's a small tweak, but it helps you stay connected with everyone who moves their conversations to Telegram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Telegram tutorials and updates.